Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn about prepositions, position words. Children, let's understand the concept of prepositions through a picture. Look at the picture carefully. The animals are in the forest. Let's find out the various places of the animals by using the prepositions. Two birds are in the nest. Two squirrels are on the tree. One squirrel is in the hole. The deer is behind the tree. The cat is sitting under the tree. The cat is standing between the tree and the bear. The mouse is sitting on the rock. There is a pond near the rocks. The fish is in the pond. As you can see that we have used the correct prepositions to show the various places and positions of these animals in the forest. Now let us understand what are prepositions. The words that tell us about the position or places of nouns and pronouns. They are also used to show the relation of one thing to another. So, we use preposition to show the position or places of nouns and pronouns. Let's discuss some of the prepositions. Let's begin with in. The cat is in the basket. The things are in the bag. The pens are in the stand. So here we learnt that in which cases do we use in or which position is known as in. Now the next preposition is on. The cat is on the table. The pen is on the floor. The fruits are on the table. The vase is on the table. So, these are the examples of the preposition on, and we have learnt where to use this preposition and to show which position. Now let us learn some more prepositions like under, over, between, among. Look at the example. The cat is under the table. The cow is sitting under the tree. The monkey jumped over the pond. The clouds are floating over the building. The monkey is sitting between two cats. The horse is standing between two zebras. The butterfly is among many caterpillars. The yellow ball is lying among many blue balls. So, we use under when something or someone is lower than something else. We use over when something is higher than something else. Let us look at some more prepositions and understand them. Near, above, into, beside, in front of, behind, and to. The bench is lying near the river. The lamp is hanging above the table. The frog jumped into the pond. The rat is beside the cheese. Let us learn some more prepositions like in front of, behind, inside, outside. Look at the pictures carefully. The girl is standing in front of the mirror. The girl is hiding behind the curtains. I am going inside the mall. Rajat is waiting outside the school. So kids, today we have learnt so many prepositions. Any preposition tells the position of one thing or person with respect to other thing or person. So, go ahead and keep practicing. Thank you.